Hi, welcome back to another One Chart lesson. The 30th by Billie Eilish is fast becoming one of my favourite Billie Eilish songs. From a guitarist's point of view, it's a really, really beautiful piece of music. I think her brother Finneas is a great guitar player, and this piece, there's already a few lessons out for it, so I've slaved over this tab to try and get it absolutely accurate. And with the exception of the second time you go through the verse where one note changes, it's, I think, dead on balls accurate. What happens in that second verse is when the G goes down to an F sharp, which is the fourth bass note in the first bar of the verse, the G string note actually, instead of being an open G string, goes to a second fret. So the actual verse, and I'll play it accurately the second time through, because what I'm going to do is just play through this whole tab from start to finish without speaking or stopping, and you can follow the tab, and hopefully that'll be a really helpful way of doing this song. So the second verse, you hear that note? That's the one that changes. It's not on your tab, but that's the change in the second verse, in the verse the second time through. So watch out for that. That's the only thing that's not actually on your tab. Everything else, 100%. If it's not, let me know and I will correct it if you are correct. So here we go, from start to finish, the 30th. Nice and slow. there you go, my no talking lesson. I hope that was helpful. Follow that tab, beautiful song. Just watch out for that bridge section. It's fantastic and it's fun to play once you get a hold of it, but you've got to slide that first finger up and down. You saw it all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you here next time.